How to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. So in this video, I will show you how you can integrate your WhatsApp with Zoho. To do that, I have in here this help article from Zoho themselves about the integration. To integrate it, head over right there to your CRM and then click on Setup, click on Channels, and click on Business Messaging. You can find WhatsApp there, so head over and click on Details right here and click on Integrate that will appear after that. Now, it will request access to your WhatsApp, so make sure to grant its request. Log into your Facebook Business Manager's credential and click on the This Get Started. After that, click on Continue to give permission to it, and then from in there, create a new Facebook business account or select an existing from the options. Once you're done, click on Continue, and from in there, create a new business account or select existing account from the options as well for the WhatsApp that you wish to use. After that, click on continue, and from in there, you can actually choose in there the business profile that you want. Click on continue and verify your WhatsApp business number from there. Send the code and then enter the code, and after that, click on OK. And then from in there, you can configure the CRM pop-up, provide the nickname, and select the phone number associated for that. Edit the account preferences for the actual goals like leads or contacts, and save this in order to save everything. So that's how you integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.